meticulous, mtkjls. Definition: very precise and careful. Synonyms: thorough, exacting, precise. Antonym: sloppy, careless. Example: his meticulous notes made revision easy. Resilient, resilient. Definition: able to recover quickly from difficulties. Synonyms: tough, strong, flexible. Antonym: fragile, weak. Example: the resilient student bounced back after failing the test. Enigmatic, enigmatic. Definition: mysterious and difficult to understand. Synonyms: puzzling, mysterious, cryptic. Antonym: clear, obvious. Example: the enigmatic smile left everyone wondering. Benevolent, benevolent. Definition: kind and helpful, showing goodwill. Synonyms: kind, generous, charitable. Antonym: cruel, mean. Example: the benevolent teacher helped students after school. Eloquent, eloquent. Definition: fluent and persuasive in speaking or writing. Synonyms: articulate, expressive, fluent. Antonym: inarticulate, unclear. Example: her eloquent speech moved the entire audience. Diligent, diligent. Definition: having or showing care and hard work. Synonyms: hardworking, industrious, careful. Antonym: lazy, careless. Example: the diligent student completed all homework on time. Vivacious, vives. Definition: attractively lively and animated. Synonyms: lively, spirited, energetic. Antonym: dull, lifeless. Example: her vivacious personality brightened the classroom. Ingenious, ingenious. Definition: clever, original, and inventive. Synonyms: clever, creative, brilliant. Antonym: unimaginative, stupid. Example: the ingenious solution solved the complex problem. Prudent, prudent. Definition: acting with care and thought for the future. Synonyms: wise, sensible, careful. Antonym: reckless, careless. Example: it's prudent to save money for emergencies. Tenacious, tenacious. Definition: determined and not giving up easily. Synonyms: persistent, determined, stubborn. Antonym: weak, yielding. Example: the tenacious athlete never gave up during the race.